Hartman Adventures at them, man.
Yeah. On another solo mission this morning again. Try to see if I can throw some lures. I was supposed to link up with Uncle Bertie, but I try to call him and I not reach him. So see if I can touch out just by myself. I see if I can pick up this morning. Is that bait? No. So yeah, probably should have stopped by the river mouth this morning. See if I can find a snook down there. Because rain fall yesterday. So normally after rainfall, I got a river mouth. Sometimes I find I stuck them down there, but just never bother stop this morning at all. I don't know, maybe on my way back I'll stop there. I don't know, depends how I feel. But yeah, welcome back to Hartman Adventures, guys. This is your first time tuning in, welcome to you. And if you are a continuous supporter of Hartman Adventures, big up yourself. Yeah, man. So guys, just hit the like button, hit the share button, hit the subscribe button. Let's try to grow the community together. So try to see if I can walk out on a spot right now. So stay tuned. As soon as I get any action at all, cameras will be rolling again. So catch you when I reach out there. Guys, I just saw a school of bait fish right out here. Going to try cast after them. It's pretty shallow in here, but I still try. Hopefully my lure and I get hooked up and cut off. It's quite shallow in this area. We're just swimming out there. Oh, come on. Just get a hit, huh? Oh, lure was fouled. Barra. Yo. Yeah. Barra. First barra. Nice one. No, say something must have fall like bait fish them this morning, you know. From me see bait fish them, I know say something have fall like this morning. Mighty swallow it. Guys, See this lure? That's a handmade lure by myself. This is the second time I'm taking it out. I made this, well, I completed it last week. Last week I finished making it. And I took it out last week Saturday. But it wasn't swimming how I wanted it to, so I brought it home, tuned it. Bam! Second cast we did this morning. Hook up a barra. Tell us them off like bait fish them. Yes guys. It's a 4.5 inch lure. Shaped like a mullet. I don't know if I've ever caught a fish on a lure and felt more proud. Trust me. Yeah. Blows. See him there, guys? See bad lure there? It don't even have a name yet, guys. I haven't even given this lure a name as yet. I just made it, tuned it, and come through. Hook up a barra. See lure there, guys? See him swim? See him swim? Look, see him swim? Just made and tuned it. Alright, let me see if anything else out there follow like bait fish them. Yeah, first killings. Come on again, come on, one more bar. Come on. Just see my jump. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? I'm talking about that. This is that's actually the first fish I'm catching on this entire setup, guys. This is a new rod, new reel, new braid, everything. That's the first fish I'm catching on it. I've taken this setup out a couple of times before, but I didn't get any hookups, so lure cast really nice. I've taken out this setup before, didn't get any hookup. I've been fishing with it for maybe a month now. Yeah, maybe about a month and a half. So this is probably about the 5th time I'm going out with it, and that's the first. Well, no, actually I did catch a lizard fish on it one time, so that's the second fish. Oh, see bait fish them down there again. Alright, come. Bait fish them, move. Alright, bait fish them up there, so guys. See if I can chase them down again. So one diver out there, so I made a shout to a while ago. But yeah guys, that's the lure. Nice little barra. Probably about 3 pounds. Alright, them bait fish are move fast, so try to see if I can chase them down. Ah, bait fish. Look at that, guys, look at that. Bait fish. Oh man, that's a huge school of bait. That's a massive school of bait. Wow, massive school of bait. Come on. Massive school of bait, guys. Right in the center of it. Anything at all chasing. Come. Think my lure is fouled, man. Come on. Massive school of bait out here. They're going out. That's a massive school. Whoa! Huge school of bait. They're going out. That's a huge school of bait. And try to go from around that side, cast out towards them. Yeah, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I've been chasing the school of bait from all the way down there. I've been chasing the school of bait. They were up here just now, but then on my way around this side they started going out. Now I can't see them anymore. Can't see them anymore. That was a massive school. I've been chasing them from down behind the corner down there. I was watching them, but they were further out on the reef. So I was telling the diver that fish usually chase the school of bait. Yeah, I was talking to him, but they were going out, and then I saw them coming back in, so I move off, come to the spot where I hook the barra. Alright, go over a little bit further, see if I can find another barra or something. I'm not stopping here because the sun is in my eyes, directly in my eyes, and I lost my glasses last week. Lost my glasses, so don't have my glasses with me. I'm just coming around this side so I can get some shade. Like somebody catch something nice. I saw some nice size scales there. There's a feeding frenzy on out there. I highly doubt the camera can pick it up because it's way out. It's probably about, yeah, it's very, very far out. But there's a feeding frenzy, a whole heap of splashing and everything on the top. The bait fish are going offshore, but it seems like some predator fish out there. There's even something else. I don't know if it's a diver or what. I can't really see it properly close by, but there's a feeding frenzy all the way out there, almost out to the horizon. Pretty sure if somebody out there on a boat right now on a troll, I'm gonna pick up some nice fish. Or if you go out there on a boat, carry a popper or something, you'll pick up some nice fish out there. But I don't know, the bait fish were out there. There were just some huge splash in the water. Anywhere close, put on a popper, bait gone back down. Woo. Wow, what an epic morning. I have not seen action like that in such a long time, with that much schools of bait fish running inshore. When I just got here, they were running inshore, really close in. That's when I caught the barra. But then they were going maybe between 400 and 1,000 meters out. They were going out, coming back in, going out, coming back in. Huge, huge, huge bust ups. So you know that there are predator fish chasing them. There was one massive bust up, but it was way out, all the way out, and you could just see the splashing in the water. You could just see fish, bait fish flying out the water like nothing. I could see big fish jumping out the water, way out. Trust me, I haven't seen this much action in a long time, guys. Trust me, this is an epic morning. This was an epic morning, full of action, full of adventure. I only hook up one barra, but trust me, for a moment I wasn't even casting because I was just watching the feeding frenzy. So amazing, like they just corral. You can just see how they corral the fish, the bait fish in like some circle, and then start attacking it. Like bait fish were just flying out the water. Huge bust ups this morning. Oh man, I haven't seen this in a long time. Last time I saw a feeding frenzy close to this, I was just standing and looking at the water one evening, and some tarpons came up and started chase some mullet, and that was a epic adventure. I didn't have any cameras because I wasn't out fishing or anything. I was just out chilling and looking at the water. Some tarpons were in it feeding and some mullet. But this morning, really adventurous, trust me. I enjoy my morning so far. Feel a little bit tired now. I've been casting for a while and haven't gotten anything else. And it's been maybe about 45 minutes now since I've seen the last school of bait fish. So I don't know, I might just stop and start walking back to the car. So my wife's purse in the car this morning, so pretty sure she's soon going to call me, say she wants it. If I stop and get any more hookups on my way back to the car, I will record it. But if not, thanks again for tuning in to Hartman Adventures. Remember to hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button. Massive thank you to you guys for growing the community so far. Trust me, it's amazing. It's been an amazing year so far. Posting content for you guys and only looking forward to getting more. I wish I had like a drone or something where I could capture some of the feeding frenzy this morning. I don't have a drone. I'm probably going to have to work on getting one, but I wish I did have one this morning to capture some of it for you guys, because that was really epic. Haven't seen anything like that in a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna tune out here. Thanks again for tuning in. Catch you in the next adventure. There are permits feeding right here. I just saw a massive permit right in the reef right here feeding. His dorsal fin was sticking up out of the water. And I don't have any. There is. That's a big permit. It's right there. Dorsal fin just come up out of the water.